Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an LG washing machine. It's a 9 kilo inverter direct drive F1402 FDS5. I'll show you today how to do the lint filter on this machine. It's the kind of thing you'd want to do if the machine is full of water. It'll let you drain out the water, or if it's showing up an error code that says drain down, pump blocked, something like that. So, down at the bottom here, on the front, there should be a little panel, and it should have a little tab on the top, so you can either use your fingernail or a butter knife or something like that. You pop the tab down, open this door out, and you have to use your imagination here because this one's missing the door. But the important bit is this plug in here. Now, I don't know if there's any water in this one. It may be drained down already, but if that's a bit stiff, give it a twist. If it's full of water, there's a dribble coming out. Oh, there's a bit coming out. If it's full of water, you might want to put down something like a baking tray. I'm doing this in a place where it really doesn't matter, but yeah, there's a bit of water there. So, having a look in the filter, or the coin basket, some people call it, there's a bit of fluff there, but that won't stop the machine running. Let's take a look inside. The water comes in there, I think, at the back, from the back, and then these little holes either side. I think this is a dual pump on this model because I think it has a recirculation pump and a pump out pump, because it has this feature where you can have water jetted back into the machine during the cycle. So then to finish, if there was something in there, just take it out. It's as simple as that. Give it a rinse under a tap if you want. I could have taken out that fluff, but there's so little in it, I'm not going to bother. So give it a clean, empty it if it's blocked. Sometimes in an extreme case it'll be so blocked you'll have to go into those holes either side and maybe take something out of them, but 9 times out of 10 this is all you need to do. Screw it back in. If you had a little flap, close it up. Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. Mop up the floor and whatnot. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you later.